Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and this is a tour of the Quality Inn and Suites in Gatlinburg on Hemlock. So let's go ahead and go into this room here, and I'll show you what we got. So you got your bathroom, the toilet, it's clean by the way, sink. They actually supplied lotion, conditioner, shampoo, and soap, so that was nice. You got a mirror. Hey, what's up? You got towels that are neatly folded. I took one out. You got a bathtub, which looks clean. No complaints there. Got a shower head. You got a bath mat. You got this bar you can hold on to if you're gonna fall over in the shower. And then you come in here, you got a tabletop area. I put some bottled H2O, bottled water on there. Got all my backpacking gear because I'm here to go to the back country. The Mount Sterling Campsite 38 at about 5,800 feet of elevation. I got 2 queen beds because it was the least expensive. They got a refrigerator, you got a microwave, you got a television, you got a coffee maker. You got a heating and cooling unit. And guess what? You got a table over here. And you got a balcony. Some old ice axe. I guess somebody just had some ice out here. But here it is, man. You can see. That's Gatlinburg over there. So this is the end of the strip, where you've got Old Red and that Chesapeake seafood place and No Way Jose's and all that. So it's a good location, opposite end of the strip of where I stayed last time, which was Econo Lodge. And you can subscribe to my channel and check out the Econo Lodge on the river, Gatlinburg review. Very nice place. But yeah, this is a good deal, convenient. Is a little bit steep. If they didn't maintain the driveway, it would be challenging, but man, it works great. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.